we, kids?
At a rainforest.
Which one?
Minamara Rainforest.
Sometimes I feel
This is so cool.
Cool. Is that cool, Lila?
Look at that green stuff.
What's your stuff?
and I can't help but ask myself how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer.
Look at the bridge.
Yeah, we get to cross the bridge.
I love bridges.
Alright, let's go over the bridge. Whoa! Old rickety bridge.
What's the troll? Yeah, the troll.
Ah,
Troll.
Whatever tomorrow brings,
Wow.
I'll be there with open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings,
Yeah, good looking.
I'll be there.
We went past the bridge.
cool, man.
The troll didn't get off then.
Yeah. Is there a troll under it? Did you check?
Will I
Yeah, it is a swing.
than me before, and it seems to be the way that everyone else gets around.
Cool, isn't it?
Lately, I'm beginning to find that when I drive myself, my life is found. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there with open arms.
Yeah, cool, huh? It's right down there.
I'll be there.
Oh, it's a green rock, isn't it? On the rock.
Choose water over wine.
Oh, little bird in there. Just through here it was.
Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there with open arms and open eyes, yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be Hey, don't write yourself off yet.
Alright.
Wait, keep going.
Try your best. Try everything you can. Don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time. Little girl in a little out the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. Hey, you know they're all the same.
Whoa. We just walked down there.
Shut my lolly.
Live right now. Yeah, just be yourself.
Why is this the biggest hill ever?
See that thing on the rock there? That's the bird's nest fern.
Oh, yeah.
That's the ones that they said are 325 meters.
growing off a rock. How does it do that?
This is the biggest.
No? We've got to get up the boardwalk there, look.
It just takes some time. Little girl in the middle of the ride. Everything, everything will be just fine. Everything, everything will be alright, alright. Don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel that power.
They're all thin. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Do your best. Do everything you can. And don't you worry what their bitter hearts are gonna say. It just takes some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything, everything will be just fine. Everything, everything will be alright, alright. It just takes some time. Little girl, in the middle of the ride. Everything, everything will be just fine. Everything, everything will be alright.
Today I saw a lyrebird. It looked like a black cockatoo. It was super duper cool. It was so high up in the tree. And
Good stuff.
This is the picture. Today I went to Minamara Rainforest in the morning and it was fun. I went with my family and we saw a black and I'm gonna write black and white cockatoo.
Black and white cockatoo.
Cockatoo?
A lyrebird. Looked like a cockatoo, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
And much
Ah!